Today, I'll walk you through how to change Snapchat stories in the Discover tab, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your Discover feed so you can see content that truly interests you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is the familiar yellow icon with a ghost logo. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just take a moment to locate it. Once you're in the app, head to your profile. You can do this by swiping down from the camera screen. This will take you to your profile where you can manage your settings and preferences. Next, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. It's typically located in the top right corner of your profile screen. Click on it to access your settings. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Ads. This is where you can customize your ad preferences and interests. In the ad settings, click on Lifestyle and Interests. This section allows you to select topics that resonate with you and will influence what appears in your Discover tab. Finally, check the box next to the topics that you're interested in and want to see more of in your Discover feed. This is a crucial step as it helps Snapchat tailor your content to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Snapchat stories in the Discover tab. By following these steps, you can ensure that your feed is filled with content that you find engaging and enjoyable. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.